Welcome to RYF AI Educational Channel. Today we will talk about AI takes over, how artificial intelligence will replace human jobs by 2030. Please do me a favor, subscribe, like, and share. Now let's begin. AI takes over, how artificial intelligence will replace human jobs by 2030. From factories to office desks, AI is taking over jobs that once required human hands and minds. Industries around the world are bracing for an AI-driven transformation, and we're about to dive into how it will affect you. Stay tuned. First up, manufacturing. Robots and AI-powered machines are already replacing factory workers across the globe. By 2030, AI is projected to fully automate over 20% of jobs in this sector. From assembling cars to packaging goods, AI's precision and efficiency are making it the go-to workforce for manufacturing companies. The service industry isn't safe either. Fast food restaurants, retail stores, and even hotels are adopting AI-driven systems for customer service, food preparation, and sales. Imagine walking into a fast food chain where your meal is prepared by a robot. By 2030, AI will likely dominate these spaces, eliminating millions of low-skill jobs. AI is also stepping into healthcare, automating tasks like diagnosis, medical imaging, and even surgery. AI tools like IBM's Watson Health are already outperforming human doctors in diagnosing certain illnesses. By 2030, it's expected that AI will assist or replace a large portion of medical jobs, from administrative work to surgeries. The transportation industry is in for a massive AI-driven disruption. Self-driving trucks and taxis are already in development, with companies like Tesla and Waymo leading the charge. By 2030, the majority of transportation jobs, including truck drivers, delivery services, and taxis, could be replaced by AI-powered autonomous vehicles. Even white-collar jobs aren't safe. AI-powered software can already handle data analysis, customer support, and even legal work. Tools like ChatGPT and automation systems are making it easier to complete tasks once reserved for human professionals. By 2030, many office jobs, from customer service to data management, could be fully automated. AI is changing the workforce, and while it may replace millions of jobs, it will also create new opportunities. The question is, are we ready to adapt? The future of work may not be humans versus AI, but humans working alongside AI. What do you think the future holds? Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI will take over your job? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on AI, technology, and the future of work. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share please. Thanks again.